going on, everybody? ProTrader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Hope everyone's had a wonderful evening last night. It's Friday, TGIF. We're gonna have an amazing trading day today. Why? We do that every single day. Let's head on over to the MOJO Day Trading room. Say hello to the team. We'll fly on over there, and I'll share my screen. All right. Oh, I didn't fly over there. Let me fly over there. Okay, here we go. Fly. I'm gonna have double video going on because I have video in the chat room and I got video on my YouTube. So you guys in the chat room see me once, you guys on YouTube see me twice. So I'm covering the screen. SQQ making a big move here this morning. Had that thing at the bottom. Now it's up at $42, guys. Crazy. I had this one little pick right here. Start the morning like I do every morning. Oh, yes. So, and everything's for educational purposes only. We know that. Listen live to the chat. That's what we do every morning. My OG pro traders right here above my head all have been on subscription for around 5 years and longer. Pro traders below them are 1 to 5 years. So everyone's doing pretty good in the room. We don't have thousands. We only got handfuls, but we're consistent and we're all doing the same thing. So that's pretty cool. Bitcoin's 40,437, Ethereum's right at 3,000, and Solana's right at 100. So they're all like right there on even numbers, 43 and 1. And we have 55 people also down there, just chilling like a villain today. So that's what we got going on. The gainers are DRTS, ARL, and IIIN. Like very few gainers. Very low volume. Losers, there's 4 losers, VYGR, XRX, LEU, and UEC on some big volume. Futures are mixed. Done for the day with my 3rd day on a reset. On my copier trader, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 running, so at $225, which was 1 trade. Able to accomplish like $1,000 in the day. Makes me respect the account a lot more, so I don't keep on blowing up and resetting, so I can get funded and then just keep on doing that. That's the purpose of what we're trying to achieve. Tesla posted record profits. That's what that says in the first quarter. Quarterly revenue topped $10 billion for 5 consecutive quarters. That's like Ken Slim action. Net income was positive for 11 quarters. EPS hit 5 quarters. And gross margins exceeded 30% for 3 quarters. Crazy, right? And then I saw this move right here on 41.30 that I nailed off the bottom. I sold it like at 41.38. It went to 41.50, and now it's like 42. So let's see what happened. Followed the video exactly. When I logged into Ninja, it disconnects me from Rhythmic. Darrow, I shut my computer and open Rhythmic as per the video, and the same thing. Maybe we should do like a team viewer or something. Do you have that on your computer? Get a team viewer like free trial. Send me over a link. Let's hop on and see if we can make that happen. There's something that's going on. You shouldn't be able to not do that, Trevor. So let's get that accomplished for you today. I'll hook you up with that. 42.05 on SQQ. So if you want to do that, look into Team Viewer. So let's see what's hot and not. Sounds good to me. We'll do some futures trading's already done for the day. Well, when we get yours set up, we can do a couple. Does anybody need futures trades in the room? Is Hammer here? Claude, D's, you guys doing anything? Brad, let me know. And let's see what's hot with the market today. The Dow's at 34,733. That's a stopping station. The comp's at 4,393, near 4,400. The comp's at 13,174, and the SPY's at 436. SQQ, one of the main stocks we trade for the futures, is 4204. It was red at 4130. That was 80 cents ago. Right here off the bottom. Right here off that red bar. And these were the two bars into 50. And it hasn't stopped really since then. If you switch to the 15-minute rail grind, you're still up in it. 5-minute, a little bit also. But I usually go to the 2-minute in the pre-market. So 2-minute, you have a nice move from this one down here, which was 4170. Now it's 4206. And the NASDAQ was down huge yesterday. And the SPY was down huge, and the Dow Jones was down huge. So now you got 2 bad days in a row. 2 bad days in a row. Let's see what Facebook 189. It's probably going to maybe make a move back into 200. If it doesn't, it's going to 177 by 82. Let's look at the daily. Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of bottoms here. Look. What, 190, 190, 190. See these bottoms on? This is like very, very crucial breakdown on Facebook, dude. You have a double breakdown. Breakdown from up here with a gap. Someone printed this right here at 328. Just in February, March, April. That's 2 months ago. Stock has lost half its value. Stock's lost half its value in 2 months. Facebook. Crazy, right? You don't realize that because we don't really even follow and trade Facebook that much. But yeah, look what it's done, man. A new bottom on Nvidia. Mar says there's a new bottom on Nvidia. 201. Yeah, look at Nvidia, dude. Wow. It went new. So this is what Facebook's going to do. It's going to break these bottoms right here. Just what Nvidia's done. Nvidia's going to bounce to where Facebook is at 189. This is going to 189. They're both the same price on the gate down from 300 to where it is now. Same thing. Facebook right up there from 300 to where it is now. Same thing, dude. They both lost crazy value. This is in 30 days too. This is in a month. In a month. That's crazy, man. Twitter's done good. Twitter's held up because of Elon Musk. Tesla's at 1,000 because of Elon Musk. I can't believe Mullen from 180 is back to 138. Isn't that crazy? We traded Mullen right here at 63 cents. Right here in this red bar. And it went to 417. Now we're back in it right here at about the 150 range. And it's like 138. It should be $2. What happened was it was like 170. They dropped it to one right here, and then it was up 30 cents yesterday, back to 170, 180. Instead of keeping it 170, and then that 30 cents puts it over 2, and now this 30-cent drop puts it back at 170. They can really manipulate and do whatever they want with the markets. You need a few trades on them futures? Cool, let's check it out. We'll see what it's doing. Yeah, made a big rise. Touchy 11's going to 19, bro. And then in the 20 range, we'll be able to play it back down. Right here's a little, you know, it's either going to 42.04 or it's flying up to 19. So it's like, who knows at that particular moment. So let's wait for a directional move. NBEV's holding up decently. Not really. How about the weeds? CGC in the weeds too. Dude, everything's lost half its value in 2 months. That's why my swing picks really aren't crazy working good. Like Verify Me. It's just like, this is my swing pick. It's not like performing because the market's not, but it's not losing big. It just hasn't broken out. See this 359? See that 359? If it goes above 359, it's going to do really, really good. So that's what I'm waiting for. It's called Verify Me. It's like in crypto when you go verify yourself. It's a big service, man, that they do. Still 4207 by 8. It's probably going to go to here. I told you right there. See? So if you're launching right there, you're looking good. Wait till it gets to 19 now. See the 14? Quickest 11 to 19 you ever seen, bro. Isn't it crazy how it does that? Here's 17. They're going to like rip it up. Watch. Let's see if they do that. 14. 14. They can't rip it down. They're going to have to rip it up. 15. See, they can't push it down. Told you, 15. See, they couldn't push it down. Ooh, look, I'm spinning chips with both hands today. There's 17. Told you. Told you, bro, right? Right? I know how it moves from 11 to 19, dude. There's 16. What did it hit? 17? This is the ProTrader platform that I'm using. I've used it for like over 10 years. It's like a great video game. It's called the ProTrader Pro. And these are hotkeys. So you just press the button once and it executes the order. 100 at the market, 500 at the market, 1,000 at the market, 2,000 at the market. Sell a quarter at the market, half at the market, all at the market. Quarter at the limit, half the limit, all the limit. So we run like that and the Ninja Trader with the future simultaneously. That's what most of us do. It ain't an easy game, but it could be a lucrative game if you figure it out. That's what everyone tries to do, figure it out. I told these guys on the spaces last night, look, I don't want to be bullish, I don't want to be bearish, I just want to be right. Do I think SQQ is going lower? I don't know. Do it goes higher? I think it's actually going to bounce right here and then go under 42. Made a big move lower there, Brad. See that? So it made up a move to 17 and then it dumped. It missed the top by 2 cents, but I told you it was going to do that. Oh, someone came on the mic there. It's going to try to make another move up to 12. Markets be red. 42.11. Here's 12 and then it should dump back down. Go to 07 again. Watch. 10. 9. Told you. 9. There's a 36 on the bid. 44 on the bid. See him? He's going to get filled. 9. 33 on the bid. See him? He got filled 1,000 right there. There he is. Now they're even. There's 8. There's 7. Told you, right? Nice trade, Brad. Another good one. Let it tip tap off 7, go to 5. See, there's 15 on the bid at 7. See him? He's going to get filled. There's 15. See him? So undercut 9 to 8, knock the 7. See? 6. I told you. 5. Told you, right? That was a good trade. 4. Now cover up. Boom. Done. Cover. Good trade. See how I'm reading the level 2? So I know which way the NASDAQ is going, right? So when SQQ goes lower, the NASDAQ's going to rise. You want to go long the futures. Did that work good, Brad? Let's go over to Brad in the room because he asked me, let me show you when to do a few trades. So that's how I saw that trade happening. Did you do that one, Brad? You got that one? Let's see if you got that one. That's a good long, dude. See, that's 97 now. Now bounce it right here. Bounce it, dude. 90 back up to 93. There you go. Yo, that was a good one, bro. 94, 95. See, I know how to read that shit. I know to get that ebb and flow trade. That's what we do. That was a good one. I don't even know if he got that one because he's not answering. Maybe he did get that one. Maybe he didn't. But now it's I did not. Oh, you had a phone call? Oh, all right. Well, you missed a good one. Oh, I can't give you another one. Ooh, look, my size is going by. MYSZ. This was a that you try on close. This was a swing pick. Look, it's doing good right here today. MYSZ. See that one? That was a former swing pick. MYSZ. Let's see what Zach Morris on Twitter is picking today. Zach Morris is picking BBI. Buy the ugly. We got one more run left. Okay. BBI. BBI. That seems to be his play. BBI. BBI. Oh, dip. It's dipping. That's not good. Dipping. What is this one? BBI. 28 cents. Down 10%. Not good. Oh, yeah. Real big pump up here at 42. And they crushed it down on him to 26. Ouch. That's not good. What's these other ones he had? Wish. It's $1. Damn. That's all terrible picks. Yeah, when the market's not conducive, you can't be aggressive and keep on putting out picks. I haven't put out a lot of swing picks lately. The ones I did are holding up pretty good. C change right here, basing out. CLRO, same thing right in here, basing out. Those are my two latest swing picks. And this one, live one right here. It made a move last week, it seems, but now it's back about 90 something. This is where I picked it right in here in the last week or two. Right here to go back through $1 and head up through the top of this, which would be $1.10, $2, $2, $3. That move right there. Send this one higher, live one. Big spread in that one. Here's my other one, clear channel. Right here, seems to be basing out, not really doing much. NBEV. Kind of, I thought it would do what SBEV did. SBEV's basing too. They're not really doing much in this day and age because the markets are just shitty. Shitty, I guess. What about Coinbase? 137. Coinbase. Ooh, Coinbase is at a new low too. So that's what Facebook's going to do. It's going to break these bottoms right here at 155. See that? And that one's at 137. Hey, good morning. What's going on there, buddy? Crusher, what's up? Now let's see what we got. 41, 87, 86 now, 85, 84. That was a good long, huh? I nailed on that SQQ right there off that top 42.11 range, right? Crazy. That was a good call. Dude, you see what happened to Ross? Did you see what happened to Ross, Brad? And Warrior? He went for the quantity and not the quality. All right, 2 minutes to the open. What's up, Crusher? 4180 by 82. Yep, thank gosh I don't make no promises that people are going to be freaking making money with my stuff, dude. Got to watch out, though. There's like a bandwagon of, war. A raging bull and Jason Bond got nipped for their kind of relentless advertising. Dude, he got fined $3 million, dude, for his advertising. And people with his course, he charged so much for his course. Not a lot of people made money, I guess, or were, a lot of people didn't make money. I guess the course didn't work. It was too high level, too pricey. And they had a lot of complaints, I guess, and refunds. So he made tens of millions of dollars, dude. They fined him more than Raging Bull, dude. Raging Bull, I think they fined $2.4 million. Him, they fined $3 million, dude. Makes me nervous, dude. I don't got no money. I don't do nothing like that. I don't make no promises. But they must be looking at me if they're looking at him, looking at everybody in the industry, Investors Underground, Bulls on Wall Street. So, yeah. What's up, Claude? All right, 15 seconds to the open. Yeah, I always tell everybody that I trade on a demo right here through Trader. You all know that. It says it in the disclaimer anyway. All right, here we go. We're open, guys. Let's see what SQQ makes a run into 42. It's going to drop back down. So we're going to go along the futures. So let it pop up right here and then drop back down. If you want to go Lonfin on the pop-up, you can do that. It's going to pop up right here. There's the drop down. And now it's should pop up and try to test 42, guys. Let's see if it does that. Nope, went the other way. All right, you ready? I'm going to press the button now. 41.69. Make a dime on it. There's 79, made a dime. Huh? They executed me wrong. Here we go, 65 again, and 63. And half limit, 71. Half limit, 73. Cool. Every time it dips, I'm going to press the green. Every time it rallies, I'm going to press the red. So here's the rally. I'm going to press the red. And on the dip, I'm going to press this one. Low 62. I bought 66. Ooh, look at that one. 80. Sold at 77. That was a quick one, right? Got a little bit left on the upside. Sold half again. They gave me the same price. I wanted to get 80. There's 80. Quarter. There's the dip down again. VLON 265 is ripping on 40 million shares, guys. Look at this one, marked at 66. VLON. Look at the volume on this one. Volume. 41 million shares. This could be a record breaker today. It could trade 250 million, maybe 250 million shares. Be pretty crazy. All right, I got 3,000 at 59 on that dip. See it rip now. Nope. Let's see if it goes lower. High 68. They're not pushing it lower, that's for sure. SQQ's off 50 now. There's the lower. I try to get 52. There's 51. There's 52. There's 51. All right, I'm in for at 250. Let's see if it bounces back up now to 260 and change. Otherwise, I'm out again. $248, $249. Come on, Fiddy. Anybody see anything else besides VLAN? There's 50. There's 51. 52. And it's not holding. Not holding. Anything else moving? Dow's down 198, comp's up 26. Only played VLAN so far. How much? 150? Cool. You bought at 37, sold at 67. That's a good move. It's 55, sold 55. Selling 56. I sold 55, 937. Yeah, it's not really jumping like it's supposed to be doing. It's not really jumping. There's a little jump. 56 got sold. I got 2,813 left, it says. A lot of freaking selling. Look at that relentless dumping selling, huh? Twitter Heinz 48. You like, let me look. Oh, that's a dump right here. I'm gonna get out of this one. Let me look at Twitter for you. 48, yes, I like Twitter right there. It's a good move at 48. Might go 48, 49 right there. I'll mark it for you at 48. Facebook's moving too, dude, at 190. See, Diane, both of them are moving. Facebook and Twitter. Because Snapchat did good yesterday. Take a look. Snap. 29. Look at Snap. They're all doing good. Let's look at DATS too. 30 on Heinz on Snap. See that? DATS too. Let's take DATS too because it's smaller. It may move. 170, 171 on DATS. Like that one. You guys like that one? DATS is a pretty good one. All right, what else? Ooh, my screen's flickering. There we go. Twitter Heinz 48 nicely. It's 48.10 on Twitter. Guys. Twitter 48.10, 48.14 on Twitter right there. Setting a new high on Twitter. Good pick. Who picked that? Oh, Diane. Hi. SQQ. Dipping now. Just went to freaking 42, dude. Look at that. I missed that sell, dude, because I'm doing the show. That's why I trading on the demo, dudes. Running the room, running the show, running everything, dude. Do the best I can. Where's that at? SQQ 606 at 4160. Let's get out of that one. Twitter, what's that one at? Came back down. 48.40 it went to? No, it didn't. That's the last bar. It went to 48.14. And DATS is the same. What's Coinbase doing? Coinbase went to 140. Twitter seems real strong. Twitter seems real strong. All right, I'll keep that marked for you on the screen right there. I don't really see nothing else though. How about a Heinz 42? Dude, that came off 41.30, that bar. Did anyone catch that bar? Brad, what happened on that bar? This green one, bro. What happened there? Did you do that one? What happened on that green machine bar right there from that bottom to that? Did you do that one? That was a big launch right there. Thanks, Kevin. You have a good weekend, brother. Thanks for watching my live stream. What I do for the room, I've been doing this since 2010, brother. Same routine every single day. It never changes. Done in 30 minutes. That's what we try to do. Did you hit that one, Brad? Who else is in here today? We got Foster. How'd you do today? OG Life, how'd you do today? Mar, how'd you finish up for this Friday? Mouse, how'd you finish? Walt, how'd you finish? Hello, Alpaca, how's your cryptos going? Hi, Biz, how you doing? There's Brian, Claude. Hello, Dees. Hello, Eric. That was a crazy move on SQQ right there. Should drop down the other way, guys, now at 42.30 and go drop. So you want to go right here and go long futures at 42.30 to 40 right here for the drop back down. So let's go fast guy. I saw you last night. Hello, Hammer. How's your trading going today? Infinity, Sammy, and Trevor. What's up? You still working Twitter? Yeah, markets are red, bro. It's difficult right now to try to trade on the long side. Look how strong SQQ is right there. Still, ooh. Pressure move right there. Well, I'm on the wrong screen. And we're at 42.50. May want to reprice that right up here. Right there, 42.54. You're taking a loss, take it and reprice it. Otherwise, you can't ride it out. See that 42.54 reprice. Nice, Foster. Done for the day. Everyone have a good weekend. I like that ending right there. You doing some nice drop right there, dude. 42.40. Good job. Good job. Nice reprice, dude. Foster. Nice job. 375, 375, 375, 375, 375, 375. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 accounts. He didn't make 375. He made almost $2,000 today. Is that the biggest game changer? It's really one of the biggest game changers for me in my trading, because I always, like with one account, you always want to log back in. You make some, you want to make more, and it's always like not enough. You kind of, some days it is, some days it isn't. You mess up. But with this system, dudes, it's unbelievable because you have such respect. It's not 375, it's 2,000. And if you go back into doing it, you just mess that up. And it's very easy to accomplish that. So it's a cool game, man, because 8 out of 10 times you're making that right move off SQQ and you're able to shut her down for the day. Look, he made 915 right here. Brad did off those trades we were just calling. So he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts. He didn't make 915. He made almost $5,000 for the day. For the day. And if you go back in, you lose all your gains. Exactly, Claude. Great job, Hammer. How'd you do today? And this is a game changer. Brad, is it a game changer for you? Foster, is it a game changer for you? I know, for me too, man. You know, I make $200. I'm like, okay, boy, that's 1,000. I make yesterday I did 600, like he did, like almost 900. And it like compounds across the accounts. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable, man. Yes, sir. It is awesome. Yes, sir. It works. At least I could say my course works. You right? Because I got proof in the pudding. Can't work for everybody, but a high percentage of people. I know, it's unbelievable. Look how big the red bar in NQ is. It's big. Look at the green bars on SQQ, man. Amazing, right? So you got a little top right here at 42.65 to 70 right there, and this push right here, and it's going to dump back down. Watch. So 42.67 to 70 right there, where it's at right now. Check it out. See it right here, 42.70s. It should drop back down right here. This is a good spot, 42.76, 75. It should go right back into the 60s. There it is, 69, 67, 65. Told you. That's a dime right there. 55, that's 20 cents right there. Did you guys nail that? Anybody nail that one? That's my last one of the day for the weekend. That was a good one right there. That little move from 75 to 55 is a big move, guys, in the NASDAQ futures. Do you guys check out that last one? How was that for the end? How was that to end the weekend? How was that one to end the day for us, guys? Was that good? We go have a nice Friday now. It's 42.35. How good was that, huh? From 75 to 35. We nailed that one. What are you guys doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend? It's 42.35. What a drop. What a drop. Mojo picked it good right there. It's 25. See that red bar down? That was pretty sick-ass bad, dude. And that's a long green bar higher. That's long. Oh, what a green bar higher that was. That was from 75 to 25. Hammer, how big was that one, dude, I called? Have a great weekend, dude. You too. Absolutely. It's all about right timing. It's all about right timing. So, guys, thanks again for watching the Mojo Day Trading Show. You got any questions? Check it out. Got some NFT action this weekend. Got some NFT action every day. Crypto action every day. I didn't hear from Alpaca today, so I don't know what's going on with the cryptos, but I would like to get that daily.
Here, I'm just chilling.
There we go. I hear him. Commentary.
Okay.
What's the daily commentary on the crypto today? Take over the mic. Let's give the audience an analysis. I'm gonna make an intro like this. Check it out on my show. The alpaca, you give me 5 minutes and I'll give you the world. I used to hear that when I was driving into work with my dad on the radio in his truck. You give me 15 minutes and I'll give you the world. So that's like, it'll be your tagline. So in 5 minutes, give us the world on crypto and what's happening in your den.
So, I mean, right now it doesn't look great. I'm not saying it looks bad, but yeah, I mean, yesterday everything looked a little better, but Bitcoin retraced a little quicker than I thought. So I personally am in wait and see mode, kind of sitting, waiting to see what happens over the weekend. It looks like Bitcoin kind of wants to jump down again over the weekend, which wouldn't surprise me. So if that happens, I'm putting trades in over the weekend. So stay tuned to the Discord channel and the chat room for sure. Because yeah, if we get a weekend dip, I like making my entries Sunday. mid-afternoon before Asian markets open, because if we get a weekend dip, the dip will bounce when we all go to bed. And we look like we're at the very bottom of an ascending channel right now. So if we do get a dip, I don't expect it to be terrible. But yeah, I just don't think today is the best time to necessarily enter a trade.
I think we came from Heinz 2990 through 3000 on Ethereum. We went up to almost 32, 33. And on the retrace back, that would be right here. If it was a stock that went from 290 to 320 or 330, it would retrace back to Heinz 302 with a touchy of 98 to go back through 3000, which I think is the pattern on Ethereum. And the same thing on Bitcoin. It ran through 40,000 Heinz. It went to 42,000, almost 43,000, and topped. And on the comeback down, we're at 40,205. Should be maybe at 40,777, but it didn't hold that. Now we're at 22 to 27 stopping station. So it's going to bounce here, I think. And then head back up maybe 41 over the weekend. Anything from 38 to 45 is solidness for me in Bitcoin. I think it's like a stable coin in them ranges, and Ethereum's just super undervalued at 3,000.
Oh, it's super undervalued.
It just goes to show it could move 300 or 400 points just like that. So 400 points will put it at 3,400. Another 500 points will put it right back at 4,000 under your nose in a quick move.
And honestly, that was my target a couple of weeks ago when everything was looking really strong. When key levels were broken, I thought for sure Ethereum was going to 38, if not 4. But again, it all starts and ends with Bitcoin.
Yeah, the people that brought it like up there when you had that feeling about Ethereum, those people had put too much money into Ethereum to bring it to that level. So the lights went off on their computer saying, slow down. Let's build up some stops here and let it dip so we can catch some more cheap before we bring it where we want it, because there's so little money in it right now. And if a guy like Elon says, hey, I'm not buying Twitter no more, but I'm going to jump into Ethereum because, that's my way for everybody to, be who they want to be in smart contracts, that would be pretty freaking amazing, dude. Because then
I don't know why I don't know why he's so Bitcoin, Dogecoin. I don't know why him, Cathie Wood, Jack Dorsey, all of them seem so against Web3 and smart contracts.
I don't know. Idea why. I don't know why. It's like it's not like they don't understand it. It's so easy to understand, and it's all on the blockchain. I think they just don't want all their shit on the blockchain, dude. These people have been making money and doing what they're doing behind the scenes for so many years without anybody knowing. Now, if they go out and they do what we want them to do, everything's going to be visible for everything that they do, and maybe they don't want that, so they're not going to push ahead.
With Jack Dorsey, it makes sense because a complete decentralized Web 3.0 would mean there's no Twitter. There'd be a decentralized social media platform that would replace Twitter. So I get why Dorsey doesn't like the idea of Web 3, but Elon, he should be embracing that. Cathie Wood.
But I don't think why would Twitter be hurting if it was a Web 3 component? I thought it is a Web 3 component.
No, well, there's a lot of ambition to create a Twitter replacement, decentralized, like a lot of the play to earn gaming. A lot of the push for that is that's the future social platforms that will replace Facebook and Twitter. Basically, the monetization, how all these social networks basically make money off of us, off of the ad revenue. The whole concept of basically replacing them with decentralized social media that we, the users, own. We make money off of the ad revenue, off of the views. They're all these projects have failed. There were a lot of projects a few years ago that tried to be a decentralized social media, but there's too many ways to game the system, so that they've all failed. But if one is successful. But yeah, I'm kind of I'm just
Gotcha.
being patient right now, honestly, looking to see, yeah, if we get a nice little bounce here.
Yeah.
I was looking at it. I mean,
I
yesterday's
like
little dip.
I like testing numbers. Like look at Tesla. The high was 994, so that could be like Ethereum now at 3994, and it just bounced back up to 1000 Heinz. It touched 11 and went right to 19. So on that scenario, that's Ethereum at 3994. It's 4,000. Now it's 4,100. No, now it's 3,111, goes right to 3,119. And the same sort of scenario. Now it's back at 3,200. And then the next day could be the day. It's only a 2-day move, dudes. And then like FOMO comes in. People that like, it's all over the media again. Oh, crypto's in favor and we're at war and countries are accepting crypto and it's the new digital way. And, the floods of money's come in, dude. So you got to
Yep.
be able to foresee that maybe happening and get into some of these cryptos now. So that's what I think. Not any financial advice by any means, but that's what I think.
Cycle for
Yep.
sure pushes it.
Yep. Mulin's
Yeah.
moving. Look at Mulin, guys. For you, Mulin moving back up from red to green, 133 to 143. Yeah, I hate being bullish and I hate being bearish. I just like being right, but sometimes you gotta like try to up in the sky and say, yeah, okay, that looks like that. Maybe that's going to happen on try to go for it. If you're wrong, you're wrong.
Yeah, and so I mean, sometimes I like to say I'm kind of a cowardly trader. If it doesn't look like it's a guaranteed thing, I don't like doing it. I don't like losing money.
Yeah.
But
Me too. And
yeah.
then when I lose, I'm like, okay, that wasn't a Heinz trade. I should have waited because now I missed the Heinz trade. And the one I did the Heinz on wasn't big at all. And you just got to follow your systems, man. It works that way.
Yep. So yeah, I'm just being patient, waiting for some more clear signals right now, honestly.
All right, thanks for the analysis. That was good, guys. If you're interested in that kind of crypto analysis, we'll have it on the show all the time. Just some crypto talk between traders, and that's what we do. If you like it, you'll listen. If not, you won't. But listen, thanks for listening and tuning in for those who did. And let's take a break for a couple of minutes. I'll end the show. Peace. Keep it profitable. Later. Peace.
Hey guys.